Hey guys, Steve the Salon Guy here, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about David Beckham's new hairstyle, and I want to show you guys his previous hairstyle, which was obviously a bit longer. Here he has it in a man bun, which we've seen this a lot before, and here's what his hair looks like when it's down. So kind of almost like Kurt Cobain, a little bit more grunge, you know, very easy to maintain. Everyone wants to know, oh, how do you get that kind of look? Sometimes no product is best, you know? Maybe like a sea salt spray like my Tidal Wave. This is a great shot of his hair. You know, sometimes just waking up and going with it all natural, no product sometimes works best for hair textures like this, or like a leave-in treatment spray, a gel for something like this to keep it slicked back. But now it's time for his brand new haircut. And as you can see here, he's got a really nice textured top, very short on the sides. We've seen this a million times before, but Beckham, he can pretty much pull off any hairstyle. So there's a slight disconnect right throughout the parting area on the corners of his hair. And I would say the top is probably about 3.5 inches long, no more than 4 inches on top. And it can be styled with something like talc, my hair product talc, or clutch, you know, a matte styling paste or a matte styling clay. Here's what it looks like on the front. So I'd say, again, the sides are about a 1, faded up to about a 2, where the disconnected part is, and then the back probably is all blended in. So it's just those corners that looks like it's a little bit disconnected there. And here's a view from the front. This is his most recent event he was at. And that's it. Let me know in the comments below if you like his new hairstyle. Again, we've seen it all before, but it's David Beckham. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.